Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. This is Laura, and today I am planning in my Happy Planner Mini True Beauty Blooms from the Heart. It's a beautiful, beautiful little planner. And I am doing the month of April, the month view. So I'm just going to take these out to make it just a little bit easier. And I like that the cover says, just be patient with yourself. Nothing in nature blooms all year. And I'm like, what a great reminder, because truly everything has to be dormant or take a rest for some season. So I thought that was pretty cool. So this is just kind of my creative. I get to do whatever I want with it. This planner I use for scheduling out thoughts, ideas that I want to share about for the different days, or yeah, it's kind of like a content planner. But I use the months is literally my creative outlet. So I get to do them however I want, which I love. So I'm going to start with, I have to find my mini stickers, my mini seasons, there we go. Since it's such a small little calendar, let's see if I can find anything that I want to use in here. I saw this cute little flower. That might be pretty. Let's see. See if I can get this in better view for you guys too. So maybe I'll use that. It's not summer yet. These are cute. I kind of want to use those. And the other one I thought I'd try to use is my squad book. So these are all kind of summery and winter. Do we have any spring? Just need spring, like tulips and stuff. Fall will be great for next fall. Okay, let's start with what we have. Oh, those are cute. Ooh, and it's my husband's birthday this month. So maybe I like this little birthday. And use this cute little balloon. Probably should have put that underneath the birthday though. I have a lot of like not prior planning enough. Happens, right? That'll work though. Maybe? Yeah. It's cute. Okay, that was fun. Glad I saw those. Alright. Thought it'd be fun to use these little flamingos. Because I don't know, they're not really spring, I guess, but they're fun. And they're cute. And they actually remind me of certain things that are very close to my heart. So that's kind of fun. I don't know if I want to use yellow now. I'm not sure. I do like this little sticker here. And I think I'm going to put it right here. I think it'll fit right there. Not quite, but it's cute. I like it. Okay. So apparently we're doing a little bit of a pink theme, I guess. Let's see what we can find in this one, Squad Life. They have so many cute summer ones, but I want to not use those yet. Maybe if I put this one right here, or how about we layer? Maybe? It's pretty cute. Apparently it's very flamingo theme. Okay, I really like this thing, and so I'd like to put it, I guess we'll try to put it, maybe we'll put it down here. It says, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Here's the pink I was looking for. It's kind of a cute little reminder. Today is the day. And then I do have some Easter ones I'd like to use actually for this layout also. So maybe we'll find those because Easter is pretty much, it's my favorite holiday. And I would love to use them while I have them. And I have a whole bunch of cute ones. Just gonna have to dig through my messy stack at this point. Please tell me I am not the only one that has a messy stack of paper or stickers. They just get kind of crazy sometimes. Okay, those are cute. Cute little stickers. But you got this, I like that. That's a happy reminder too. Okay. And then I have this cute little blue flower. Since I put the pink one there, maybe I'll put this blue one here. Tie in a couple other colors. And then here's a bigger pink one that we could throw maybe up here with the smaller pink one. Florals are always good, in my humble opinion. They're swimming behind the flowers. And then maybe I'll just put this at the top here, since Easter is on the 12th. And throw out another Easter egg for kicks. I'm liking it. I think I want to put this flower next to Easter. It's coming along. And just throw in a couple more pastels of things, I think, just to have fun reminders on a few days. And that way I can still use this calendar to write things in, but there's still some fun happiness in it too. Just looking to see if there's any other things I want to add. I think I'll use this don't wait. Just a reminder mentally. So yeah, this is my April mini happy planner. I love this cute little planner. Like I said, it's kind of my content creation and whatnot ideas. So the months I get to have a little fun with. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you again. Have a blessed day.